What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I bleach my units. This bronze, I want to say 27, the color 27. So yeah, let's get right into the video. This is a full lace wig unit, and I'm going to first start off by sectioning off the unit into 4 sections. As you guys can see, I already started on sectioning off my sections for my full lace unit. So yeah, you guys, I'm just going to part my last section. Like I said, you guys, this wig is a full lace wig. You guys can purchase units from my wig collection, Stylish KENNA units, on Instagram. I'll leave it across the screen. And yeah, you guys, we're going to start out with this first section right here, and this is I want to say 8-inch, maybe it's a 10. Yeah, I think it's a 10-inch unit. So first thing first, you're going to need your gloves. I didn't have the aluminum foil from the store, I forgot, so I just got aluminum foil from the house, your mixing bowl and brush, B2W, and I'm using a 30 volume developer. And putting my gloves on, I'm going to go ahead and apply the bleach. I'm using about 3 cups, and then I'm going ahead and put the developer in. And I also use the Blend Me 20 volume developer as well. I love the consistency of this that Blend Me. I just love it. It's one of my fave. So I'm just going to mix the mix everything together until it's the consistency that I am looking for. You guys don't want it too drippy or too thick. You just want it kind of in between, a good consistency that will apply on the hair, directly on, and will stay on the hair. Don't move, but be on the hair. So yeah, you add as much as you like, until you get the correct consistency that you want. So moving right on into the unit, I'm going to first start off by parting. I was about to go ahead and just apply the bleach onto the hair straight on, but I don't know, I feel like I wanted to use the aluminum foil to help me bleach it, so the color could change quicker with me use wig being already dark. So I'm gonna just put the aluminum foil onto my rat tail comb, and it just helps me hold the aluminum foil in place. And I'm gonna just go ahead and apply the bleach onto the hair. And once you start applying it, the bleaching stuff kind of sticks to the aluminum foil, and you can kind of let it go, as you guys can see what I'm doing. But if you guys was doing this, I want to make sure I tell you this: if you guys are doing this on a real person's head, a human's head, you want to make sure you don't apply it too close to the roots of your hair. You want to make sure you stay down, because with the being bleach, the product will move forward from the heat from your hair. It will move forward up, so you don't have to put it as close to the roots if you're doing a human's head. But with this being a wig unit, you guys, I'm just smacking this bleach on the roots. Guys, I want to put the bleach directly. I don't want no black splotches, no black spots, no nothing. I want the bleach to be completely full over the wig unit. So yeah, you guys, continue watching me apply the bleach. If you made it this far into the video, you might as well go ahead and subscribe, and let me know down in the comment bar what type of videos you guys would like to see. So yeah, you guys, continue watching, and I will be back. So another thing that I want to point out to you guys, when you guys are working with bleach, you want to make sure that you kind of move as quickly as possible. You don't want to be playing around and doing anything, you know, in particular that you don't need to be doing. You want to make sure you focus on your clients or your wig or your bundles. You want to make sure you focus and time yourself, because you don't want to over process your hair and then you'll be having bald spots and you'll be having shedding going on, a lot of shedding going on if you over process this hair. So you want to make sure you move as quickly as possible. When I got to the front part of the wig unit, I did use a higher developer just so that it can kind of even out with the color. I kind of started with a 30 in the back, and when I got to the front I used like a 40 and a 50, just so that by the time I made it to the front it would be the same color as the back, simply because I started with the back first. So yeah, so keep in mind you want to move as quickly as possible. And as you guys can see, as I'm applying it, I'm kind of swiping it so it can kind of get in the back as well, because you guys will see I had to go in, you guys will see, but I had to go in and apply a little bit more because I ain't doing a good job with, rubbing it in all the way. So yeah, you guys keep watching. Okay, you guys, I am on the last little bit of applying the bleach, and as you guys can see, I am completely done with applying this. So with me, like I said, I had to go back and apply some. You guys want to make sure you don't have to go back and do this. You want to make sure you do it, right the first time. But I am going behind myself and double checking just to make sure that I don't see any black, you guys. When I say I want every black spot, every black string of hair to be fully colored, bleached, you guys. So yeah, as you guys can see me fixing it up, applying bleach to wherever I missed, and yeah. So the wig has been sitting about 35 to 40 minutes, maybe a little longer. I don't know. Yeah, I want to say a little longer. And I'm going to go ahead and take the aluminum foil and, you know, touch up a little bit more spots that I seem to miss, and 40 volume developer, the 40 and the 50 volume developer, I can't talk, to do my touch up. And you guys can see that those areas are turning quite quickly, very fast. So that's what I mean when I say I use the higher volume at the top of the head versus, and the cleaning up part. So I'm taking my Biostick Color Therapy, and this is the Color Blonde shampoo. This similar, very similar to the purple shampoo. So I rinse that out, and I'm going to blow dry it with my famous blow dryer. Y'all, I love this dryer. But yeah, I'm gonna dry that on up, show y'all the boring drying part. I was so ready for it to dry to see what the color turned out. I know I was gonna have to get some of the brassiness out of it. So yeah, you guys. So yeah, once I dry that up, this is the finished look after I wash the bleach out, and I feel like I wanted to get some of the brassiness out. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and do that. I'm using the Wella T27 toner, and I'm using the Blonde Me 20 volume developer. And you guys, so you want to take the Wella, pour it in, and you want to, the directions say use a 20 to 30 volume developer, I think, one of those. So yeah, I'm just using the 20, and like I said, I love the consistency of the Blonde Me, so I'm going to work with that. So you want to make sure you add as much as you need in the right amount. Then that I use half, yeah, 1.5. So yeah, when you stir that up, you want to make sure you don't see any white. You want to stir it up until you see complete clear. So I'm gonna just add a little bit more just to get me the right consistency that I want, because you don't want this too thick and you don't want it slippery, slimy, too wet either. You want to make it just right. So that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, you guys, that is it. Moving right along. I'm going to part it in not 4 sections, but part down the middle. And I'm going to just start applying it, you guys. Applying the toner right onto the unit. And I think I left this on for about 30 minutes, maybe longer, you guys, because I really wanted the color to be pretty much even all the way around. So yeah, so I'm just gonna move right along and let you guys watch this video. So as I applied the toner, this is the finished look of the toner being applied to the unit, and it is fully saturated. And yeah, here's the finished look. This is the color. It is a golden bronze number 27. And yeah, you guys, thanks for watching.